Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new EZON smartwatch. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. I recently dropped mine, so this could be a good replacement, we'll see. Check it out. Before we get to the watch, let me go through the accessories real quick. So you do get the user manual right there. And the charging cable for it as well. Alright, check it out. Very nice display. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright guys, so there it is. Did have to charge it for a little bit to get it turned on. So there we go. So we'll go ahead and select English. Alright, and then now it's going to bring up this QR code so that way you can download the application. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, and then once you download the app, that's what it'll look like. It'll detect the watch, so we'll go ahead and add it. And then it says make sure you put in the same verification code as on here. So we'll go ahead and do that. So it's asking to pair, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, and there it is. It's ready to go. See? Super easy to set up. So now let's go ahead and actually synchronize it. Alright, now let's check it out. Alright, so now that it's set up, let's go ahead and actually use the watch. So you'll use just both of these to navigate the actual watch. Alright, so one thing that I do want to say about the watch, it is really light and has a tough glass screen that doesn't scratch easily. The screen is bright enough to see outside and still clear inside. You scroll through the menus using the little dial on the side, which makes it quick to move around. Inside, it's built to track your heart rate, steps, calories, and more. It locks onto GPS super fast, so it knows your pace and distance right away. I'll show you a photo at the end. It also works with a lot of different satellites, so your location stays accurate even when you're running under trees or around tall buildings. The watch comes with more than 28 built-in exercise modes like running, walking, cycling, swimming, and hiking. It also keeps an eye on your sleep, your stress, and even your blood oxygen. If you tap the health check, it gives you a quick reading of everything at once. The battery lasts you quite a bit, about 20 hours straight with GPS on, or about 20 days with normal use. Now I'm outside walking with the watch on my wrist. It grabbed my location fast and the numbers on the screen updated right away, the heart rate, the steps, the speed, and the distance. The screen stays easy to read even in sunlight, and because it's so light, you barely feel it on your arm. While walking, you can scroll through different stats, see your pace, and track how far you've gone. When you're done, it saves your routes so you can look at it later on the phone app. It also buzzes for notifications and alerts so you don't miss anything while you're out. So if you guys are looking for a new sports watch, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.